Birch. Homogenized. 1%. Too heavy. Oh, it was just a dream. And I woke up and I had this horrible dream. We went to go pick up a bunch of really good dairy product, but the dairy product was way too heavy for our truck to be able to haul it safely. I'm lactose intolerant, but I love picking up dairy product for the families. I got over there and I pulled it right up, and there it was, looking right at me. 1/2 gallon of milk. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And I found out it was just because our truck couldn't haul all of the heavy milk. Oh, I love shopping. Birch. Milk. One teaspoon. Teaspoon. I opened it up. There's a full truckload. At least 10 pallets of milk in there. Every kind you can imagine. 10 pallets. Whew. Milk. Are we rolling? Are we rolling? I came around the corner, and there it was. All the milk. It said I could just take it for all of my kids. Whew. I'm gonna cry. I was so happy. Oh, I couldn't believe my eyes. I just thought, I can't see this clearly. Really? All the milk? Oh, we're so blessed.